guys, how is everyone doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you all are keeping safe and you're doing well. Compliment of the season to each and every one of you. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. Okay, so guys, today I have a beauty unboxing from YSL. So guys, let's go now and do this unboxing. Okay guys, I got this from, it's a perfume, all right, from YSL, and I got it from Macy's when they were having the Black Friday sale. Okay, so I got this, all right. I'm new to the YSL brand, okay, and whenever I'm trying to come into a brand or trying, a product from a brand, I always come trying the perfumes first, okay. All right, so let's try the let's see what the black opium smells like. Okay, you can see it's not open yet, so let's do the unboxing, guys. Let's do the unboxing. Yes, so I've been seeing excuse my daughter, okay. I've been seeing a lot of reviews from the YSN brand lately, their perfume, their handbag, shoes and all whatnot. Okay, so let me try. I just thought I should try the perfume and see what it looks like. Wow, this is the bottle. I've not even smelled, even from the packaging it smells so good. It smells really nice, guys. So this is called Black Opium and is a Eau de Perfume Neon. Okay, I don't know why they call it neon. Maybe it has that pink, that bright pink, you know, the bright pink there. So maybe that's why it's called neon. All right, and the ingredients here. So ladies, this smells really good. I really love the smell. Okay, it has that sweet and fruity smell. So if you're someone who like a sweet smell, this is very good. It has mild vanilla in it. It has a powdery flower scent. Okay, and this will last you for up to 8 hours or more. Okay, so yeah, it smells really nice. Smells really nice. I love it. I know this is an older perfume in their line, but I wanted to start from something old then into something new, all right, just to follow that history, that they are beautiful scent. I've had a lot of review about the YSL line, okay, and they always have good reviews. People always have good reviews about them. Okay, so this smells really good. Any perfume that will last you 8 hours or more, that's a good brand. Okay, and this I got during the Black Friday sale. I think this will usually cost over $100, but with Black Friday sale and some, I got this on sale. Okay, all right guys, so the next one I'm gonna be unboxing here is the newest one they have. Okay, this is the Liber. Okay, and this is also by the YSL brand. It comes in two different types. So this one I have here is the intense, and it comes with the one with that doesn't say intense. Okay, so in my own thought, I think intense means stronger, something that is more pronounced than the other. The other one I believe will be a mild, scent. Okay, I went into the Macy's to go try it out. I was able to try both. Okay, so the other one is more, mild and more subtle, but this is, out there in your face. So if you have someone that doesn't like a perfume to be out there in your face, you might not like this. Okay, so go for the other one. All right, so let's unbox this together and see what it looks like. Da-da! This is so pretty. I like the bottle. Okay, it has the YSL going around the bottom of the bottle. Okay, this is the newest one. I think this is the 2020. This one came out this year. Okay, and look at that gold around the neck of the bottle. This is so pretty. Okay, yeah, so that's how you open it up. So let me spray on this side because I sprayed the last one on this side. Wow, 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 so beautiful. Let me put this on me. Ooh, I love it, I love it, I love it. This is so beautiful. This one I didn't get on sale, guys. This one this one didn't come on sale. Even for Black Friday it wasn't on sale. Okay, I paid full price for this. Okay, so I guess this is an older version, so they put this one on a discount, but this is a new one, 2020. It didn't go on sale, and I really love it. Really, really looks nice. So this one has warm vanilla. I can smell it. I can smell the vanilla in it. Orange. I can smell the orange as well. Okay, and lavender. Okay, so vanilla, orange, lavender. Okay, long lasting. I guess that's why they say intense. Okay, it smells expensive than it is. That's really true. So I'm looking at all the reviews that people are saying about this. It really smells expensive, and it also has jasmine in it, and milky toffee is also in this Libre Intense, right? I'm not a French speaking person, so I might not pronounce the name right. It's Libre. Okay, that's what it is, but in the intense. Okay, so it has the intense and it has the regular one. Okay, guys, so go out there. This is a good perfume to shop. This is gifting season. Okay, so this is a good perfume to shop for yourself or for your loved one. This is another one for yourself or for your loved one. Okay, so is it this or this? Which one will you get? If you have tried this one before, go ahead and try this new one, either in the intense or in the regular. Okay, so guys, thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all always coming back, clicking on my videos, supporting your girl. Thank you so much. So I need you to do me one more favor. Please share my video out. All right, if you know a perfume lover in your group of friends, in your contacts, share. This is a good perfume. Okay, I don't want anyone to miss out on any of this. Okay, share the videos to your loved ones, to your significant other, to your girlfriend. Share the video out. Let them have the knowledge of this perfume and buy it for their friends as well. All right, so I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye, guys.